Girls! Girls, wake up! Buttercup! Wake up, Buttercup!
Professor, it's Saturday. Can't a girl get some sleep?
Now remain calm, Buttercup.
Professor, what are you doing in bed? Wait, what's going on? What? Nice bedhead, Blossom. What happened? I'm all grown up. You're not grown up. You're just inside Miss Bellum's all grown up body.
That's right, Buttercup.
Wait, well, if Buttercup's in your body and I'm in Miss Bellum's body, then who is...
Girls, please. It's just Bubbles. In the mayor's body.
Ew.
Good morning, Buttercup. Oh, good morning, Bubbles. Mayor, what are you doing over at our house? Oh, I'm not in your house. You're in my body.
Professor, what the heck's going on here?
Well, lately I've been working on a way to turn apples into oranges using a new passive nucleic electron alchemy I've devised. Though my early test failed to retain cohesion and suffered bipolar reversion, I found that I could saturate the nucleopeptides with theta emissions and stabilize the dormant synaptic cell structure in its formative phase. It worked! But not well enough.
Chipped.
Yes. But I quickly realized that all I needed to achieve total conversion was a much larger dose of theta waves. So I just recoupled the Heisenberg compensators to the radio frequency array to tap the naturally emitting theta waves that occur naturally during REM sleep, harnessing the neuroelectric power of every citizen in Townsville. But unfortunately, I overloaded the power matrix, causing a negative feedback pulse to discharge back through the frequency array and across Townsville. Thus, not unlike the apple and orange, our exomolecular constructs were inadvertently interchanged. And that's exactly what happened to us. Yes, Bubbles?
Yeah, what?
Oh.
Look, Professor, it's almost time for us to start saving the day, so just go ahead and change us back now, okay?
I don't know how.
Hello? What is it, Mayor? Professor, your hand doesn't work. Then just put it on screen. Okay.
Hello, we have an emergency situation down here.
We know, Mayor. We've swapped bodies.
No. I've got a run in my stocking.
I think what the mayor means is that it's not just us who switch bodies. All of Townsville did. It's mayhem, and someone's taken advantage of the confusion and robbed the bank.
They have?
Yes, Mayor.
Oh, that's terrible.
Well, who did it?
We don't know. With everyone switched, no one can figure out just who is who.
Okay, we'll take care of it. But Professor, start working on a way to switch us all back. We can't stay this way forever.
Agreed. Mayor, Bellum, I'll need your help.
I think we better clean up and change first. Right.